So you have a GoPro Hero 7. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset. Very, very simple. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn your GoPro on. And then once you have it on, what you want to do is you want to swipe from the top down, okay? So the top up here, the GoPro is on, you can see right there. Top, swipe down, and then we see preferences right here. Tap on preferences right there, and now you want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom where it says reset. Tap on reset. Now this is where you want to take note, okay? So we have reset defaults and we have factory reset. Now if we go to reset defaults, you can see, you can read right here, this basically resets all your settings to the default except your date, time, camera name, password, language, and video format. So you can have the option of reset to the defaults on this option here, or if you want to go ahead and reset everything back to the way it was, the factory default settings, where basically as if you just bought the GoPro brand new and took it out of the box, you will go down here, factory reset, and then you can go ahead and tap on reset there and it'll factory reset everything, including it'll take you off the app, and then once you go ahead and factory reset, you have to start everything back over from the very, very beginning. All right, pretty simple to do. Good luck.